Good morning, all of you. Morning. Please start your videos, all of you.
Sir, in this class we will play quiz.
Sorry,
Sir, in this class we will play quiz only.
what happened? Tell me again.
Sir, in this class we will play quiz only.
No, beta, not quiz. We will continue with the chapter multiplication. We were doing multiplication, chapter number 5. We are just about to finish the chapter. Okay, let's start. All of you, please keep your videos on. Keep your videos on, everyone. आद्या भाटिया, अथर महेंद्रू, अविका अग्रवाल, हर्ष अग्रवाल, मांडव्य, प्रत्युष, विराट, खुशी. Everyone, please start your video. मांडव्य सिंह क्षत्रिय, बहुत बड़ा नाम रखा है बेटा तुमने. उसके आगे भी फूल पत्ती और बॉडी बॉडी जाने क्या क्या लगा दिया. आद्या, अथर्व, अविका, मांडव्य, प्रत्युष, विराट, please start your video. चलो बेटा, we have done till which question? Exercise 5.5. Tell me, we have done till which question?
Sir, I have sir some network problems, sir. That's why I cannot open.
Exercise 5.5. We have done till which question? Tell me. Yes. I think we have done till second question. There are 430. Yeah, second question we have done. All of you, have you all done till question number 2? Exercise 5.5.
Yes, sir.
All of you, have you all done till question number 2? Yes. So question number 3 now. Let us start doing question 3. Okay, who will read this question?
Sir, there was some network issue, so I can't speak. Sir, can I read? Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Sadhya.
Sir, what we are doing, sir, there was some network issue, so I can't speak.
We are starting with exercise, third question of exercise 5.5. We have already done first and second question. Please start your video.
Okay, sir.
We are starting the third question now. We have already done the first two questions of the exercise. Okay. Yeah. So, Atharv, can you read the question?
Yes, sir. Harish saved rupees 16,439 every year. How much will he save in 25 years?
Harish. There is someone with the name Harish. Harish saves rupees 16,439 every year. इतने रुपीस वो बचा लेता है, सेव कर लेता है. So how much will he save in 25 years? 25 साल में कितने रुपए बचाएगा, कितने रुपीस, कितना अमाउंट सेव करेगा? So this is the question. So Atharv, can you tell me what to do to find the answer? क्या करेंगे?
Sir, multiply.
Multiply 16,439 by 25. Okay, very good. So let us write these statements also. Amount saved every year is rupees 16,439. You have to tell the amount saved in 25 years. So you will multiply 16,439 by 25. Multiply and tell the answer. You have to multiply on your own. Multiply and find the answer, all of you. जल्दी करिए, मल्टीप्लाई अपने आप फाइंड करिए, जल्दी करो, ठीक है? आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर्स. Done? All of you?
Sir, I have
Send your
sent the answer.
answers.
Sir, I have
Sir, we have not done question 2.
Beta, we have done question 2 in the last class. Have you not done in your
Sir,
copy?
Sir, the class was left
Sir,
when we were doing the question 2.
Yeah, all the students left the meeting before the class was over. Everyone left the meeting before that only. क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट होने से पहले ही बच्चे क्लास छोड़ के चले गए थे
No,
बहुत
sir,
सारे.
the meeting was left automatically.
Meeting was ended. No, beta, we completed the question. What is the answer of this one? 16439
Sir,
into
4 left.
25. Have you all done? I want your answer in the chat box, all of you. Let me see. Have you done
Sir,
it correctly or not?
Sir, my answer is correct or not?
I have seen your answer, beta. I will just tell. Wait.
Sir, I am sending in 2 minutes.
Other students. Those who have not done question 2, start doing it. And those who have done question 3. अगर आपने क्वेश्चन 3 कर लिया है, क्वेश्चन 2 नहीं करा है, then you start doing it now.
Sir, I have also sent my answer.
Four 410,975. So rupees 4,10,975. He will save this much in 25 years. Very good, Atharv and Adya. Only 2 students have sent the answer. Very good. Why the others have not sent the answer? Why the others have not done? Okay, those who have not done question 2, they can start doing right now. Read the question, write these statements. I will ask you कि आपने क्या करा and क्या answer आया. I will ask you the statements. I will ask you the answer also. किसी से भी पूछ लूंगा मैं. Okay. All of you start doing in your copy. I will see your copy also. Everyone start doing in your copy. Question number 2. It was discussed in the last class. We had discussed the question. So I hope you all know how to do it. So do it now. Question करने के बाद I will see your copies and I will also discuss the question. Start doing. 2 minutes का time दे रहा हूँ मैं बस. Only 2 minutes. Yes, done the question, all of you?
Sir, please wait for 5 minutes more.
बेटा जल्दी करो, 2 minutes, okay, 2 more minutes, जल्दी करिए.
in your camera. Okay, all of you, now you show your copies. Start your video and show your copy, everyone. Uh,
Yes, all of you. Can your answer, everyone?
Sir, please see. Sir, please see.
Just wait, beta, wait. I am seeing your copy. Just wait. Yeah. Show the statements, Adya.
Okay, sir. Sir, in the first one, cost of each apartment, number of apartments. Total cost of 48 apartments. Sir, second one, cost of meal for each student. Number of children. And sir, after calculation, the last line is total money they pay altogether.
Okay, very good. Very good. Very good, Adya. Very good. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
What about the other students? Hanji. Atharv, Avika, have you done? Atharv, Avika, Mandavya. Khushi, are you saying something? Is there anyone named Khushi in the class? Hanji, beta, are you saying something? Are you saying something, Khushi? Beta, your voice is not coming. Chalo. Yeah, other students have not done the question. Very hard. Very poor. No response. I will ask Palak ma'am to do something in this case. I will ask her to talk to you all regarding this. There is no response in the from the class. Students of 5A, when they are asked to do some question, they stop responding in the class. I will tell Palak ma'am and she will do something.
Sir, I have sent my answer.
Yes, beta, Adya, I have seen. Very good. Adya is the only student who is actively participating. Question 4. A company has employed 1 lakh.
I have also sent the answer.
Avika has also sent the answer. Avika, your answer is not correct. What is this? This is answer of which question? Question 4. A company has employed 1,37,073 employees all over India. It decides to give a bonus of rupees 465 per employee. How much will be the total bonus amount? Total bonus amount you have to find out. So, number of employees in the company, Number of employees. How many employees? 1,37,073 employees are there. Bonus given to each employee. Bonus मालूम है आप लोगों को बेटा? Do you know the meaning of bonus?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of bonus बेटा बताओ किसको पता है बताइए. Try, just try. What is the meaning?
Sir, bonus meaning is when a company gives extra money to a person, to a employee.
Yes, extra money is known as the bonus. Okay. Money which is other than the salary. Salary एक चीज होती है. Salary आपको पता होगा. The monthly salary that a employee gets. एंड बोनस जो हो गया दैट इज द एक्स्ट्रा मनी. अगर किसी को किसी कंपनी में कभी कभी दिया जाता है बोनस. ओके, सो दैट इज नोन एज बोनस, एक्स्ट्रा मनी. तो
Means extra money given by boss.
हाँ, गिवन बाय द कंपनी, हाँ गिवन बाय द बॉस, दैट इज नोन एज बोनस. ओके, so the bonus that is given to each employee is rupees 465. So total bonus कितना दिया कंपनी ने? Total bonus amount, what is the total bonus amount? How will you find? You will multiply 1,37,073 by 465. Find the product and find the answer. 137,073. Multiply, all of you. Start multiplying. Start multiplying and find the answer.